Good evening, good Friday, Хайрлы кеш, добрый вечер, друзья. So some people asked when they saw this our 110 people who finished skills badges for BigQuery, is data analytics stuff, and how to join this kind of study groups because they are free and we jointly prepare for the certifications. And I will tell about this next, because next week we're already starting a new group and we have opportunity to select in which certifications to prepare, because all preparation resources are self-paced. You can do it autonomously, but we help you with putting mentors. We also kind of sometimes, if study group participants, someone wants to kind of paraphrase what he learned or she learned, this is supportive environment for this. So let me go to the slides. There's a lot. Second. I'll just share the screen. I think you see these slides. I will just put them on the slideshow. And this is our knowledge textbook. What is certification study group, which will start next Thursday evening. It's a 6-week session, which if you RSVP to this study group, I will send a link. It's GTG Cloud Almaty. You can put it in Google and it will show you the study group page. I will also put the link to the comments and also to the chat here. So then if you RSVP, you will get access to Cloud Skill Boost. It's a labs, self-study theory and practice. And what is cool about this? You will get skill badge. There are around hundreds skill badges, but we here, my colleagues, they classified them, grouped. There is infrastructure skills, there are hybrid and multi-cloud, there are application related things like software development badges, information security, machine learning, and analytics. Analytics is a big thing. For example, insights with BigQuery. This one, by the way, I passed. It was not so difficult. Difficulty level are outlined here. But I like, and my community members, they all like in this badges that they're practice oriented. If you have no experience as, for example, as data analyst, during the skills, you will train on real life scenarios, situations which model real life day-to-day duties of data analyst, or the same in security, machine learning, and infrastructure skills badge. It was really useful. And overall, our aim is to help you to prepare for exam certifications. We will try to prepare to this associate cloud engineer. We will pick those skills which lie around this associate cloud engineer. Why this? Because it's the most foundational, it's the most basic, also no experience required. It's a little bit theoretical in terms of the questions are sometimes not difficult. If you compare it to professional ML engineer or data engineer, they are much more difficult. And we suggest to start from associate cloud engineer preparation, and before moving on to any of these later ones. There is also cloud developer, security engineer, etc. So this is our kind of inspiration, and we have exact learning journey. On the first week, we will study cloud fundamentals and do some practice labs. and earn a skill badge. We actually can do it in one day, but we will try to do it in 1 week, so no pressure. Then on the next week we will rehearse, we will rewind last week's learnings and move on to foundational cloud tasks. On week 3 we will proceed to configuring environment in Google Cloud, and next week 4 is we will learn slightly basics of Terraform and proceeding to reliability, disaster recovery stuff. And next we can choose either learn Kubernetes deployment or just do basics of Kubernetes. This is a little bit difficult, but we will be fine. And we also can select topics. For example, we can select pricing calculator for GCP, etc., and many other fun stuff. So please join if you want an easy environment to help. Let me stop this slide sharing. To help with preparation. I will just find our GDG Cloud Almaty. Subscribe to this event at by GDG Cloud Almaty because it will give you access to Cloud Skill Boost. Just a second. I found, yeah. So this is. I'll put it in the chat. Also, I'll put it in the comments. Guys, questions, if you have, maybe you have questions later, type them in the comments in the video and I will answer. Also, please subscribe to this channel, put like to this channel because every like is plus 10 views, so other fellow people learning towards engineering or data analytics or other pathways, they will see this video and it will be useful for them. I think I will, after I finish this broadcast, I will be able to put it to comments tab as well. And as usual, questions you can type. I will wait for a minute or two. If no questions, then we finish the stream and see you on next Thursday. This is will be our first week of certification study group. Also, we are launching a competition between cities. Those cities which has more skill badges, we will give to top 10 people from the city prizes and guaranteed internship. Also, plus 10 people from other cities, they will also receive guaranteed internship in either company residence of Astana Hub, and we're now discussing with IT Park in Uzbekistan. Astana Hub is in Kazakhstan, also most hub in both Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan as well. Yes, as usual, all courses will be free. They're actually free if you subscribe to this study group, certification study group. And I know you are also organizer of in Tashkent. You can also host this study group, so all the community members, which you can just copy this register the same. All your community members who RSVP, they also receive free access for this learning resource for 3 months. For 3 months, it's valid. It's really cool because you can learn a lot in 3 months, and even basically there's a trick. You enroll to Quest, and even if you enroll 3 months already expired, nobody will kick you out of this course. So it's basically if you enroll to all courses, you can do it in 3 months. Then you have like eternity to pass them. I don't know, is it right way to do it, but technically I checked. I enrolled in previous group, and then it was the deadline finished, but I was still able to walk through it. Thank you for good question, as well. Thank you guys for attention. If you have more questions, please feel free to type in the comments or reach me out, or reach out to local GGG developer student clubs or WTM organizers in your cities. Bye-bye.